V6 specialists present. V6 twin-turbo engine. Team members: Mohammed Tohar, Matthew Jack, Hamza Ahmed. We chose this name because we did the exact same project last semester and got an A+ for it. Once we came up with the idea, we started dividing the roles and responsibilities. Now let's get into the parts. Now that we have mentioned all the main parts with respect to the secondary parts, let's get into the assembly. Now that the engine is fully assembled, we had to choose the appropriate materials for its parts and perform tests on them to evaluate their strength and stability. Then, we checked whether the engine runs properly using a motion study. The V-shaped design shows good mechanical integration and careful attention to detail. The parts are arranged in a way that uses space efficiently, balances weight well, and allows smooth power transfer. The assembly also focuses on stability, easy access to key components, and good overall performance, making the design practical and efficient from an engineering point of view. Thanks for watching.